Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Hardip Singh with us from GREW. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, can you just let us know about GREW, like how it came into the solar industry?
So GREW is part of the Chiripal group of companies who have been into the manufacturing business for the last 52 years. And we are in various businesses, textiles, polyfilms, education, and now we've just entered the renewable space. GREW came into being just 2 years back, and we are one of the PLI awardees. And our first facility at Jaipur has already started operation. It's a 2.8 gigawatt module manufacturing facility. And we have the second facility coming up in Jammu, which is an integrated facility of ingot, wafer, cell and module.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about this REI 2024, so what's new you have come up this year? Any new launches or any projects that are in pipeline?
Yes, we are very excited to announce that on the first day we launched the module based on the latest rectangle cell technology with 210R, which is 182 by 210 mm cell, which gives you a maximum output of 635 watt peak with the same size as the traditional module. So that was launched on the first day, day before yesterday.
If you can just, sir, elaborate more about its technology.
So as I mentioned, it's based on the N-type TOPCon technology only. The cell is a rectangle cell as opposed to the traditional square cell. So it is 182 by 210 mm cell.
And if we talk about the solar market itself, so how it seems like to you for 2024 and 2025?
Well, solar market in India is, right now on the upswing. It's a sunrise industry, so we are very excited, very, optimistic. Next few years are at least we see that there is going to be a good demand in India.
Sir, as you said, like on the first day itself, you launch a product. So, can you just let us know about it, about your distribution plans and any strategies and target for next 2025?
So we already have a distribution set up in place. We have various teams. So we are, handling we have a key accounts team which manages all the IPPs and the utility scale requirements. We have the mid-market scheme which handles the CNI segment. We have a retail distribution team which manages the retail distribution across the country. And then we have an international sales team also which has started, doing some amount of business development work across the various international markets.
So globally also you setting up in the international markets.
Yes, we are just started exploring those markets, and hopefully we should be starting to sell there also very soon. Thank you for having me.